why do people who live in big cities spend all this money, all this time to go vacation on an island? Maybe some are looking to find themselves, some are looking for peace, but not me. I had other plans.
You got a daughter, brother. Woo! Buffalo. That's what the rule is. Woo! Buffalo again. Buffalo. 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 I see a buffalo. 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 Buffalo.
And also, of course, to party a little.
The buffalo I caught.
This was supposed to be a normal night out in Gili T. Until they gave us this room.
Everybody put your left hand in the air. Come on, your left hand this time. There's other side. Come on, Pub Crawl, left hand in the air. This is the easy part. Come on. There we go. I can see all of you guys now. Okay, so from left hand in the air. Come on, guys. Come on. There you go. From now on, that is the hand you drink with. Alright? Yes. He's up to something. If you get caught drinking with your right, or in this case, wrong hand during the pub crawl, and somebody comes up to you and yells the word buffalo, you have to stall your entire drink.
And I took this very, very seriously. हमें बैनर दिखा और ये बंदा मिला विल जिसने हमें अंदर
This is the guy Will. He got me through.
Yes, sir.
फिर ये है वो चेकिंग काउंटर जहाँ हमने पे किया. इन्होंने हमें फ्री पॉकेट की कूपन दिए. ये है आयरिश बार. हम थोड़ा अर्ली थे तो अभी काफ़ी खाली है, बट जैसे रात बढ़ेगी वैसे वैसे भरेगा. एंड तब तक हम जस्ट गेटिंग यूज्ड टू द वाइब, हैविंग फन. अपना कूपन यूज करने चल दिए ऑफ द बार.
Thank you. Are you ready for the pub crawl?
Pub crawl.
Yeah.
You better finish my bucket.
All right,
Ready
let's
for the
go.
pub crawl?
Let's go, baby. All right.
Into this area, please, Pub Crawl. We're going to get this Pub Crawl underway.
And the organizers are getting the night started.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to another Gili T Pub Crawl. I'm going to be your spiritual guru on this quest towards enlightenment. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you.
And then this guy told us what we're going to do. We're going to start from Irish bar, go to Sama Sama, then we'll go to this bar called Evolution, come back to Irish bar, and then end the night at this nightclub called The Jungle. और फिर most importantly, इसने हमें बताए rules.
There are rules on the Pub Crawl. Everybody put your left hand in the air. Come on. From now on, that is the hand you drink with. Alright? Yes. He's up to something. If you get caught drinking with your right, or in this case, wrong hand during the pub crawl, and somebody comes up to you and yells the word buffalo, you have to stall your entire drink.
So 4 rules थे pub crawl के. पहला था मेरा favorite buffalo. दूसरा था you cannot say the number 10 or mine अगर बोलोगे तो 10 पुशअप करोगे, 10 स्क्वाट करोगे. Number 3 was this one, which is grenade. जैसे ही कोई grenade बोलेगा, you have to be down on the floor. और जो लास्ट में खड़ा रहेगा वो अपनी शराब ख़त्म करेगा. And the fourth one was the easiest. Don't be an asshole, don't be a dickhead. And that's about it.
Okay, so you see the tall blonde girl there in the back? Whoa, 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 whoa. Back up. Stand back up. Come on. Chug, 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 chug. This is what happens when you don't listen to the rules, you know? Oh, she's a good sport, man. You understand? You get it? You guys understand? Renee! I feel like you just weren't paying attention that time because you were chugging out of the bucket. Alright. Hold bars.
Heading out to the first bar, Sama Sama. So the reggae bar is already getting busy. Everybody is vibing, dancing, making friends. सब comfortable हो चुके हैं और मैं भी अपने मिशन पे निकलने वाला हूँ.
Buffalo! 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 You gotta down it. You gotta down it. Buffalo! Buffalo! Shiny skirt, buffalo. Yeah, that's what the rule is. Woo! Yes.
अगले बार पे आ गए हैं और अभी तक मैं पता नहीं कितने बफलोस पकड़ चुका हूँ और पूरी रात कितने पकड़ने वाला हूँ. अलग ही ट्रिप है.
Buffalo! You gotta down it.
At this point हम सब दोस्त बन चुके थे. I had allies जो दूसरों को बफलो में पकड़ रहे थे and it was just pure fun.
Go, go, oh, go, go, go. You gotta go.
This guy was such a sport.
You gotta down it, brother. Woo! Buffalo. Buffalo. Hey, street. Buffalo. All right.
And we're back to the Irish bar.
Okay. The rest of the
Buffalo, buffalo. You gotta do a good buffalo, brother. Yeah.
At this moment, I was just scaring people away. Okay? That's so weird.
Buffalo. Ella.
caught this poor guy for the third time, man.
You gotta, again,
It's on the side. That's better on this next song.
Yeah, 2 times.
It's actually whichever side sings it the loudest, okay? Yeah.
The buffalo I caught.
And then we headed to the last venue of the night, which was a nightclub called Jungle. And thank God, यहाँ तक जाते जाते मेरी ट्रिप खत्म हो गई थी. मैंने शायद इसके बाद किसी को बफलो नहीं किया. So this pretty much summed up our drunk, weird, embarrassing, but a very, very fun night at the pub crawl in Gili T. If you get a chance to go to Gili T, it's definitely worth a try. Do not miss this, guys. It's going to be a lot of fun.
Good night.
और उस रात का आखिरी शिकार.
Right hand.
Guys, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching this. This was my first video. Please like, share, subscribe. It would mean the world to me. Please.